Alright guys, so what is up? Welcome to part 2 of this video. Going in and out of focus. So, as of lately, when I when I film my drive with me's, I am typically filming a mukbang. I think it's mukbang, like mukbang. And so today, food of choice is none other than Subway. So y'all gonna figure out what I order and all that. We're currently on our way. So when you guys see this, obviously this is like part 2. So yes, it's the same day when I filmed my first drive with me, which was just like extremely long, like 30 minutes. I feel like I said some good stuff. I haven't edited it yet or heard it back, but I think I got some hot, you know. So anyways, welcome to day 3 of 2. I know, like, I've changed my name. Oh, let me get over. Like, Subway's literally right there. I love when people do drive with me because it's like they be driving. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, don't hit me, man. I put on stuff, lip stuff, so my lips won't be itchy. Yes, can I get a Italian footlong classic
footlong Italian, what kind meat?
Roasted chicken,
What kind cheese?
Parmesan.
Any cheese, American pepper jack?
I mean, yeah, pepper jack. I'm sorry.
Toasted?
Yes.
Okay. And what kind vegetable?
Mayo and banana peppers.
Sorry, mayo and banana pepper, right?
Yes.
Anything else?
That's all.
Thank you for coming, though.
Okay. Oh. I really wanted the combo. BRB. I said Parmesan. I meant pepper jack. I just knew I was like Parmesan in my head. I'm so sorry. All this multitasking, I tell you. But anyways, I love when people like drive and talk and stuff. But also be safe when you're doing this. But I'm only gonna like talk not too long because like I don't like these videos to be long. Like when I do the mukbang, whatever. Because I only got 30 minutes and I kind of want to watch like a video. And I talked for like 30 minutes this morning and it's like a little bit over there because I kept having to start over and stuff. Come on, baby, let me go. Don't let us be great. It's raining a little bit. So, okay, thunderstorm, bro. I kind of really wanted a cookie, but they don't sell plain chocolate chip cookies at Subway. Man, my order was like 11. How much she said? Give you exact $11.37. That's why I only eat from Subway. As of lately, it's probably been like once a week or every 2 weeks. Cause they too expensive. Like I'm used to like 7, 8, and then everything's steady rising. So let me tell you about McDonald's. Now I cut McDonald's out because there's this video on Facebook where basically they did this experiment and they had these nuggets in the same container and everything for 6 years. The nuggets didn't rot. You know, when you sit out food for too long, it rots or something. The nuggets didn't rot. The nuggets stayed exactly the same. And I just got so sick and tired of seeing that, and I was so disturbed. And I was like, oh, I hate 30-minute lunches. But I was like, yo, I'm over it. Ugh. So I stopped for like years. And then I tried it so many years later. Oh, I did get the combo. I've been forgetting, it's so good. And I think I had the fries, the real egg sandwich, and that crap gave me diarrhea. And I cut it back off. As of late, they coffee, vanilla coffee, A1. They French fries, A1. Hash brown, and Holy Grail sweet tea, yes. The sausage biscuit, no. I won't eat that nuggets, I really want to eat that food, but the fries and the hash brown, that sausage biscuit just tastes like it was processed. Wendy's breakfast is nasty, but you know what's good from Wendy's? Them breakfast potato wedges. It's good. Them things be hidden. You know what show that make food look so good is BuzzFeed. I don't know that name, but I remember Adam. He be in the background. I just be wanting to travel to where they go. And I ain't eat no octopus and all this foreign food, but they was doing rice. It looks so good. I did pancakes. I can't believe people would be charging like the prices be so drastic. I can't wait to be on BuzzFeed one day for an entire season. Anything else? What do you order from Subway when you order from Subway? I got lemonade and Lay's. Oh, I've been trying to eat healthy, but but honestly, I'm just trying to figure things out and really get myself together mentally. I've been trying to get in physically, but some real stuff. I bought this Peloton bike. A very expensive bike. Very expensive bike. I got 3 different payment plans. I went on the payment plan. I couldn't afford the bike. Stopped using the bike. It's a $40 payment plan. All the videos I watched never said anything about a payment plan. So when you buy a Peloton bike, you have to pay a $40 membership. I didn't know that. I couldn't afford it and then pay the monthly plan because I did 1 year, which is like $214. I can't afford all that. On top of going to school, paying for gas, and all this other stuff. It's just too much. Now, finally being able to afford the actual payment plan because the bike is paid off. It broke. When my folks moved it, they had to bump something. Like something went wrong and my screen cracked. And it's a crack on the side of the screen. And the top screen stopped working, but the bottom screen would work. The top screen stopped working, the bottom screen worked, but I needed the top screen. I called Peloton $400 for the first time replacement. After that, it's $750. I'm like, oh no, don't worry about it. Like, bruh, I was hurt because they just gonna chip in. Everybody want to chip in to fix it. But my thing was, if it broke again, it was all over it. And I didn't want to spend all that money. It breaks again, $750. Like that crack, my iPhone was busted up on the floor through that bit. everything. Drop that bit on his face, still work. That phone did not go out until like some years, not years, but like some months later, like a month to a year later. Peterson got one bump and boom, broke. Like, all this money on this bike and your screen ain't even durable. Then you don't even have, like, if something mess up or if, you know, stuff happen. Like, one time we'll cover it. Next time it's on you. Like, nothing. I was like, oh, okay. So that's why I'm really like over Peloton. But I definitely pushed through the pain because I had the membership. Without the membership, baby, please, I stop every 2 seconds. There is no motivation. So I can't wait to find a personal trainer, get in shape, get fit, boo, get lit. But yeah, guys, that's it for this mukbang. I'll see you guys tomorrow because it's 7 days of tea. Bye.